June is the month when your outdoor space finally becomes the place you want to spend every evening. And yet for so many of us the porch or patio still feels a little unfinished, a little bare, maybe not quite ready for the season the way you pictured it back in March. So before we go any further, tell me this. What is the one area of your outdoor space that you keep putting off because you think making it beautiful will cost too much? Drop that in the comments right now, because by the end of this video you are going to have 15 reasons to stop waiting. The good news is that pulling together a beautiful, inviting outdoor space does not require a trip to an expensive home decor store or a landscaping budget you do not have. Some of the most charming garden decor ideas start on the shelves of a store you probably drive past every week without a second thought. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we believe your outdoor space should reflect your creativity, not just your budget. Today I am walking you through 15 Dollar Tree garden decor ideas, perfect for June, each one simple enough to finish in an afternoon, and beautiful enough to make your neighbors think you hired a designer. Stay with me all the way through, because idea number 11 is something you will want to have ready for the first warm evening you host friends on the patio. Idea number 1. Hanging solar mason jar chandeliers. This idea turns a basic wire hanging basket and a few mason jars into an overhead light fixture that glows softly above your porch or patio seating area. Dollar Tree sells wire hanging baskets with cocoa liners in the garden section, and you can remove the liner so you are left with just the open wire frame. Flip the basket upside down so the chains now hang downward like a chandelier. Take several mason jars, the kind with a handle or a rim you can tie twine around, and suspend them at varying heights from the wire frame. Drop a solar stake light into each jar, minus the plastic stake so just the light unit sits inside. During the day the jars charge in the sun. By dusk they begin to glow, and the cluster of warm lights hanging overhead transforms an ordinary porch ceiling into something that feels curated and intentional. Hang the whole fixture from a sturdy hook on your porch beam or pergola. The entire idea costs around $10 in Dollar Tree materials, and creates the kind of ambient evening lighting that makes people want to linger outside long after dinner is over. Idea number 2. Decorative garden flags from dish towels. Seasonal garden flags are a staple of American porch decor, but the ones sold at garden centers can run $12 to $20 each. Dollar Tree sells seasonal dish towels in their kitchen section with bright summer patterns, florals, watermelons, patriotic themes and more. Fold a dish towel in half lengthwise, and if you sew, run a quick seam along the open edge to create a sleeve that slides onto a flag stand or a wooden dowel. If sewing is not your thing, fabric glue works just as well and holds up through the season. Slide the finished flag onto a flag holder staked into your flower bed or mounted on your porch post. Because the dish towels cost $1.25, you can swap them out monthly without guilt. June brings the summer blooms. July brings the red, white, and blue. August brings the sunflowers and bees. For less than $10 you can have a full season's worth of fresh porch flags that look custom made. Idea number 3. Painted terracotta pot people. This is one of those ideas that makes people stop and smile when they walk up to your porch. Dollar Tree sells small terracotta pots in their garden section, and with some outdoor acrylic paint and a bit of imagination they become whimsical characters that greet visitors at your doorstep. Flip a small pot upside down so the base becomes the head. Paint a face, hair, and maybe a little hat. Stack that pot on top of a larger upright pot painted as the body with clothing details, buttons, a collar, whatever personality you want to give it. Glue the pieces together with strong outdoor adhesive so the figure stays put through wind and rain. These pot people can stand guard on porch steps, peek out from flower beds, or sit on a patio table as a centerpiece. The materials cost a few dollars per figure, and no two ever turn out the same. If you have kids or grandkids visiting this summer, this is also one of the best ideas to do together. Idea number 4. Beach-themed seashell candles. June is the unofficial start of coastal decor season, and this centerpiece brings that relaxed beachy feel to your patio table in about 10 minutes. Dollar Tree sells glass votive holders, bags of sand, small seashells, and tea light candles. Fill each votive holder about a third of the way with sand. Nestle a few small shells into the sand so they are partially visible. Place a tea light candle on top of the sand, pressing it down gently so it sits securely. Arrange several of these votives down the center of your outdoor table or clustered on a side table near your seating area. When the candles are lit in the evening, the flame flickers against the glass and the shells catch the warm glow. The whole arrangement costs about $6 and stores flat in a shoebox when summer is over. Idea number 5. Bird bath from stacked plant saucers. A bird bath adds life and movement to any garden, but a decent one from a garden center can easily run $40 to $60. Dollar Tree sells clear plastic plant saucers in multiple sizes, the kind meant to catch water under potted plants. Choose 2 or 3 saucers in graduating sizes. The largest sits at the bottom as the base, the medium in the middle, and the smallest at the top as the basin. Glue them together with strong waterproof adhesive and let it cure fully. Spray paint the entire thing in a stone finish, a soft gray or warm sand color. Once dry, place it on your patio or nestled into a flower bed on top of an upside-down planter as a pedestal. Fill the top saucer with fresh water and wait. The birds will find it within days, and you will have a functional piece of garden decor that cost under $8 to make. Idea number 6. Decorative watering can planter. Dollar Tree carries small decorative watering cans in their seasonal garden section, the galvanized metal style that reads as vintage farmhouse without the antique store price tag. These watering cans have a built-in opening at the top and a spout, which makes them natural planters for bright summer annuals. Fill the can with potting soil and tuck in a few cheerful flowers, petunias, marigolds, compact zinnias, or a trailing vine that spills out of the opening and softens the metal. Place the finished planter on a porch step, hang it from a shepherd's hook near your front door, or group 3 of them together at different heights for a collected look. The watering cans cost a few dollars each, and because they are already weather resistant, they hold up beautifully through the summer without rusting or fading. Idea number 7. Butterfly puddler station. This is one of those ideas that is equal parts decorative and genuinely beneficial for your garden. Butterflies need water and minerals, but they cannot drink from open bird baths. In nature, they gather on wet sand or mud and sip the mineral-rich moisture. A butterfly puddler recreates that environment in a beautiful way. Dollar Tree sells shallow terracotta saucers, bags of sand, and small decorative stones. Fill the saucer with sand, mix in a little compost or garden soil for minerals, and arrange a few flat stones on top so butterflies have a dry place to land. Add enough water to make the sand damp but not flooded, and sprinkle a tiny pinch of salt on the surface for minerals. Place the puddler in a sunny spot near flowers where you already see butterflies visiting. The saucer costs a few dollars and doubles as a decorative accent while supporting the pollinators that keep your garden blooming all summer. Idea number 8. Grapevine wreath with summer florals. A wreath on the front door or porch wall signals that a home is cared for and welcoming, but fresh floral wreaths are expensive and the high-quality faux ones are not much better. Dollar Tree sells grapevine wreath forms in their craft section, the natural twig circles that have a rustic farmhouse look on their own. They also sell stems of faux summer flowers, sunflowers, daisies, lavender, and greenery. Tuck the stems into the grapevine wreath by simply pushing the wired stems between the twisted branches. No glue required, which means you can change the flowers seasonally without buying a new wreath form. Add a burlap bow or a strip of lace ribbon for a finishing touch. The entire wreath costs around $6 and looks just as charming as versions selling for $40 and up at home decor stores. Idea number 9. Teacup and saucer bird feeder. This idea has been floating around garden circles for years because it is charming, functional, and costs almost nothing. Dollar Tree sells decorative teacups and saucers in the kitchen section, often with floral patterns that look vintage and delicate. Glue the teacup to its saucer using strong waterproof adhesive, tilting the cup slightly so any rainwater will drain out rather than pool. Attach a length of copper wire, jute twine, or even a small chain to the handle and hang the feeder from a tree branch or a shepherd's hook. Fill the teacup with birdseed. The saucer catches stray seeds and gives birds a larger landing area. The whole idea costs about $3 and adds a touch of whimsical cottage charm to any garden corner. Idea number 10. Glass gem garden path lights. Dollar Tree solar stake lights are perfectly functional on their own, but with one simple addition, they become something far more decorative. In the crafts section, you will find bags of clear glass gems, the kind used in vases and candle arrangements. Using clear outdoor adhesive, glue the glass gems all over the solar panel casing and the top of the stake light, covering the plain plastic entirely. The gems catch sunlight during the day and sparkle like little jewels along your garden path. At night, when the solar light glows from within, the gems refract the light outward in multiple directions, creating a soft jeweled glow that is far prettier than the standard plastic lens. Line a pathway with these, cluster them at the base of a tree, or place them along the edge of a flower bed. Each light costs about $2 to transform, and the effect is genuinely magical after dark. Idea number 11. Floating candle bowl centerpieces. This is the one I told you to stay for, because when you host your first summer evening gathering on the patio and these are glowing at the center of the table, the atmosphere shifts into something unforgettable. Dollar Tree sells clear glass punch bowls in their kitchen section, wide and shallow with enough surface area to make an impact. Fill a punch bowl about 2/3 with water. Drop in fresh flower petals from your garden. Rose petals, marigold petals, anything colorful and fragrant. Place 2 or 3 floating candles on the surface of the water. When you light them at dusk, the candles flicker above the petals, the glass reflects the glow, and the whole arrangement becomes a living centerpiece that costs about $5 per bowl. You can make one large arrangement or several smaller ones using wide glass vases. The candles burn for hours and the petals stay fresh throughout the evening. This is summer entertaining, made elegant without spending elegant money. Idea number 12. Burlap and lace planter wraps. Plain plastic nursery pots are functional but not exactly beautiful, and decorative planters get expensive quickly, especially in larger sizes. Dollar Tree sells burlap fabric rolls and lace ribbon in the craft section. Wrap a length of burlap around a plain planter, cutting it to fit from rim to base. Secure the burlap with hot glue along the seam. Then wrap a strip of lace ribbon around the center or near the rim, and glue it in place over the burlap. Dollar Tree the combination of rough natural burlap and delicate lace creates a farmhouse look that is wildly popular right now, and costs about $3 per pot to achieve. These wrapped planters look beautiful on porch steps, grouped on a patio, or lined up along a railing. The burlap holds up well outdoors for a full season, and if it starts to look tired by August you can rewrap it for another $1. Idea number 13. Citronella candle lanterns. June evenings are glorious, but June mosquitoes are less so. This idea combines pest control with summer decor in a way that looks intentional rather than utilitarian. Dollar Tree sells glass cylinder vases in various sizes, and citronella candles in their seasonal section. Place a citronella candle inside a cylinder vase. Slice fresh lemons and limes into thin rounds and tuck them around the candle between the glass and the wax, filling the gap with colorful citrus. The fruit adds a fresh summer aesthetic, and the glass vase protects the candle flame from wind, so it burns longer and more steadily. Group several of these lanterns around your seating area, and you have a functional bug deterrent that doubles as cheerful summer decor. The citrus dries out after a few days, but it is easy to refresh with new slices, and the vases can be reused all season. Idea number 14. Miniature fairy garden in a broken pot. This is the idea that turns an accident into art. If you have ever dropped a terracotta pot and watched it crack, do not throw the pieces away. Lay the broken pot on its side in a shaded garden corner or a large planter. The broken edge creates a natural terraced landscape with multiple levels. Fill the levels with potting soil and plant tiny ground covers, small ferns or miniature succulents. Add a winding path of tiny pebbles, a miniature fairy house from Dollar Tree's craft section, a tiny bench, a minuscule fence. The shards of the broken pot become retaining walls for each level, and the whole scene looks like a tiny hidden world that nature has reclaimed. Dollar Tree sells everything you need: the miniature accessories, the pebbles, the small plants. This is an idea that gets comments from every single person who sees it, and no two fairy gardens ever look the same. Idea number 15. Painted rock garden markers. This is the simplest idea on the list, and one of the most practical for the active vegetable or herb gardener. Dollar Tree sells bags of smooth river rocks in the craft section, along with outdoor acrylic paint. Choose rocks that are flat and wide enough to write on. Paint the surface in a solid light color. Let it dry. Then write the names of your herbs and vegetables in a contrasting color: basil, rosemary, tomato, pepper. You can also paint small decorative details: a tiny leaf, a little sun, a simple flower. Seal each rock with a clear outdoor spray sealer to protect your work from rain and sun. Place the finished markers at the base of each plant in your garden. They add color and personality to your beds, and unlike wooden labels, they will not rot, fade, or blow away. A set of 10 markers costs under $5 and makes your garden feel organized and loved. Weeks. There you have it. 15 ideas, each one built from simple Dollar Tree materials, and each one ready to make your outdoor space feel more finished, more personal, and more welcoming as the summer season unfolds. The hanging mason jar chandeliers, the seasonal dish towel flags, the painted pot people, the seashell candles, the stacked saucer bird bath, the watering can planters, the butterfly puddler, the summer wreaths, the teacup feeders, the jeweled path lights, the floating candle centerpieces, the burlap planter wraps, the citronella lanterns, the fairy gardens, and the painted rock markers. None of these require special skills or a big budget. Just an afternoon and the willingness to look at everyday items through a creative lens. That is what timeless gardening has always been about. Making your garden space feel like you without spending money you do not have. I want to hear from you now. Which of these 15 ideas are you going to try this June? And where in your outdoor space do you plan to put it? Tell me in the comments, and if you have already made something similar, share that too, because this community learns as much from your creativity as from these videos. If you want more budget-friendly garden inspiration all season long, hit subscribe and join us here. Until next time, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy your garden, and make something beautiful.